Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin quickly and securely. Apple Pay has become one of the most convenient payment methods available, and many cryptocurrency platforms now allow users to purchase Bitcoin directly using their Apple Pay wallet. Let's begin. But before you can buy Bitcoin, you'll need to have an Apple Pay configured on your iPhone, iPad, or other compatible Apple device. And then once you've done that, you should just go to the Bitcoin directly, create an account if you haven't already, or you can also choose your own wallet. Now, let's say if you are using Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, you can choose to use that to buy Bitcoin. But there is a faster way wherein you simply just click the buy Bitcoin, and what will happen is you just have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wanted. For example, let's say I'm going to choose 69. Click the continue with Bitcoin. You see that you can sign in with your Apple account, which will lead you to the Apple Pay. And then what will happen is the Bitcoin purchase will appear on the payment and shipping under your Apple account. And basically that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.